Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the airplane mode not working issue in Windows 11. And now let's get started. Sometimes airplane mode might be hidden in the Windows 11 menu. You can click on the downward pointing arrow in the Quick Settings panel to reveal it. If you still cannot find airplane mode after this, the next step is to restart the radio management service. To do this, search for services in your Windows search bar and open the services application. Scroll down until you find the radio management service. Right-click on it and then select Restart. Our next solution involves updating your network drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Expand the section for network adapters. Locate and right-click on your MediaTek adapter, then select Update Driver. The final troubleshooting step is to run an SFC scan. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type SFC /scan now and press Enter. This command will initiate a system file checker scan. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.